Simo. What you doing? You falling asleep again?
I think I'm way too sissy since I've had a dream.
Be careful with that. Sorry.